All right, good morning, everybody. Today I'm actually gonna do a recorded video just to show you guys how to actually set up the Cybernetical Live platform, right? I want everyone to actually see how to do it, guys. The first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna log into your Ingress or Cybernetical back office. You're gonna go to products and go to the online webinar platform. Click on that tab, and then you'll actually open up. You'll actually come here and show you your dashboard. This is what you're gonna come to. Okay. So the very first thing you guys gonna do, I already posted the link to the video in the chat. You guys need to download the video, right? That's the webinar we actually held last night. You know, guys, so it's already in the FLV file because that's the only video file you can use with Cybernetical Live to actually put in your recorded webinar. So yeah, guys, make sure y'all download that video. And once you guys download that video, you're gonna come right here to tools and go to recorded webinar videos. You're gonna go to that tab and you'll click add videos. All right. After you click add videos, you're gonna want to create a name of the file. Only you could actually know to see this name right here. So you could select whatever name you want. You know, so I'm gonna just put my video. So put whatever name you wanted. That's just for you to know what file you saved the video under. And once you do that, you're gonna click select files, and you're gonna find the video that you want to upload. Okay. So you'll select a video that you want to upload. I already uploaded my video already, so I won't do it again. But after you finish, you're gonna give you a percentage, and you're gonna have a green progress bar going all the way across, and then you're gonna actually tell you complete. So you gotta wait until it's completed. When it says completed, do not close the browser. Let it sit there because why? You got to actually encode the video. You're gonna actually know when it's completed. You're gonna tell you completed. Click here to see your video, right? So wait until you see get that message. All right. So once it's completed, when you go to record the video, you can go back there, and this is where your video will be at. All right, this is the video here that I uploaded, say 2,800 before Thanksgiving. When you come here, you may see enter a length of the video, or it may encode the time for you. It all depends. Mine, I also do mine manually. So if you see enter the length of the video, you want to use it. The length of the video is 55 minutes 35 seconds. So you want to put that in, all right? And if you have to be in seconds, right? Because when you calculate, you can't put just 55 minutes because you won't cut the video short. So make sure you put 55 minutes 35 seconds, okay? And you have to convert minutes to seconds. So that's like 3335. That's what you're gonna put in the box. 3355. I mean 3335. That's in seconds. Okay. So remember that, guys. 3335. That's actually 55 minutes 35 seconds. All right. And this is the video here, so you know it works. You want to click on play and make sure it works. And I hit the play button right here. And make sure the hangout works. There we go. This is the actual hangout. Okay. All right. So once you do that, you completed with your video upload. So now it's time for you to actually set up your webinar. So you can go create new webinar. Click on the tab create new webinar. I already did it. So let me just go to my webinar that I created. Just click on create new webinar, and then you will come to this page. All right. This is the page you're going to be on when you click create new webinar. All right. So what you're going to do now, you're going to type in the name of the webinar. Everyone has to use the same name. Okay. How to make $2,825 online before Thanksgiving. That's the name of the webinar. So please, guys, use the same name. How to make $2,825 online before Thanksgiving. Okay. Then you come over here. You make sure you select your time zone. We are in Eastern time. If you are in Central time, that's fine. You know, but select your time zone, guys, and because the time we're gonna actually set for the recorded webinar is 6 p.m. Okay, 6 p.m. Eastern time. So you guys got to calculate the difference in your time, because we want everyone to actually promote at the same time. So it look like we're actually having a real webinar, a live webinar, not recorded. Okay. Then you come down here. It's going to be public. You don't worry about the autoresponder. Just leave it as it is. You're going to say magic responder. That's fine. English going to be okay. Just leave it right there. If you speak any other language, if you speak Spanish, you select Spanish or Portuguese. But the webinar is in English, so everyone clicks select English. Okay. Then you want to select recorded webinar. Okay, this is going to be a recorded webinar. If for some reason you can't select recorded webinar, when you this is what you must do. Just leave it as live. Then you just when you leave it as live, you may have to put a time in. But most of the times I see sometimes you can the recorded option is not giving you the option to click it. So just target it. If you want to do it, just come down here and click save. Then reopen it back. I'll click save it. Then go back up. Then click recording again, and then it should allow you to select it. Okay. And once you select recorded, when it says enter webinar, enter the video ID. You want to click the drop down, find the video that you just uploaded. The name, and you name the video. So you're gonna find that name that you label the video and click on it. Select it. As me, this is the name of the video that I uploaded. I select it. Okay. And you want this webinar play every day. select the time. You want it every day. Okay, guys? And then once a day, the selected daily series, do it once a day and 6 p.m. Right? There's different times, how many times a day you could actually make it play. So you want to play it once a day. The drop down, you select 6 p.m. guys. Make sure you select 6 p.m. All right, that's important. And once you do that, guys, you go down here and you see me. I put this message. Don't message at all. Leave this message alone and just hit save module. Okay. Once you save the module, you want to put your presenters. You don't have to put presenters if you don't want to, guys. That's fine. You don't have to. I did it. I put presenters in there. I put everyone that's on the panel. I actually went in there and I put the name and the images. You know, so Moxon, myself, Jackie, Alfredo, Paula, and Jermaine Taylor. You know, I put the information. They don't have, like I said, you don't have to do it for yours, your register, your presentation page. But I did for mine, you know, just to make it look, just to stand out, you know, look a little professional. It's up to you guys how you want to make this page. But basically, all you got to do when you come here, you say, click here to add a presenter. You're going to enter the person's name right here. If you got the email address, you put the email address. And if you want to say something about a person, you put it right here. And then you want to you upload an image of that individual. Basically, what you want to do, you want to select an image of that person, but the image had to be 100 by 100 in pixels, okay? Just to give you all a quick preview what my registration page look like, because I already created mine. This is my registration page right here. This is what you're going to look like. You see, for us today's date, 6 p.m. New York time, and you see I put everyone pick image in here that's on the webinar. You know, so you don't have to do it that way, but that's fine if you want to do it. Just copy everybody picture off their Facebook wall and downsize it, make it the right size, okay? All right, so going back. So that's what the presenter page. Now we go to the registration page. Guys, okay. This is what you want to do. You want to make sure if you want to use a video, that's fine, but you have to create your own video. We didn't make any. So what I suggest is everyone use the same registration page. This one right here. Right? Everyone use the same page, registration page. This one right here. Or you can use this one, that's fine. But either or, guys, use any one. But we all want to have the same page. We all want to promote the same thing. So I mean, it's up to you guys. Just choose one. If you want to use a video, up to you guys. Do go ahead and do it. But I just use one without a video. All right, guys. So just pick one of these templates without a video. I picked this one. I like the design of this one. That's why I use it. This tool is the main tool that I normally use, so I could just pick any in between both of these guys right here. Okay. So once you do that, guys, you will actually come here and select the headline of your webinar: how to make $2,825 online before Thanksgiving. Be ready to take notes. You know, I just put it in there, but make sure you have the header in there. All right. All I did, I just come right here at the top. Copy the header because you already created the name of your webinar. That's the name of the webinar right here. So I just come and copy it and I paste it in here. Okay. Then I hit save. Don't worry about this code right here. Leave it alone. Don't mess with it. Just hit save. Right. Next, you want to do, you don't worry about the recorded webinars, the replay. You don't have to worry about that tab. Just leave it alone. Thank you page. You want to put a thank you page on a custom thank you page and put this in. Thanks for registering. Please check your email because when someone registers, they're actually going to get the link in the email address. So you tell them, hey, thanks for registering. Please check your email after they enter the name. After they enter the email address, they'll get this message, right? The redirect. After you do that, you hit save. And then you also, same here, this is going to also be selected for you. So don't mess with, just leave it. Or you can use, for ladies, if you want to use this one over here, that's fine. You know, or you can just leave the first one. Or you don't want to use the videos. If you have a video, that's fine. You can put the video in. But you can use either or, a thank you page. Up to you which thank you page you want to use. And once you do that, you hit save. Okay, notification, don't mess with that. Offer tab, this is where you're actually going to put in your link. Okay, your link to your offer to join you. Okay, guys, so what you're going to do, you'll come here and you click create offer. I'm going to edit mine. All right, this is what you're going to see. And an offer name, a description. If you want to put an image, you can put an image in there. Then the button, what the button going to say, join me now. And I put my link in. So as you can see here, guys, if you are on all four boards, the 50, the 100, the 300, and the 50, and the 500, guys, you want to use your highest level link. Okay, use the highest level link. Okay, because I use my $500 link right here. If $50 is your highest link, well, if you're $50, you don't have access to Cybernetical Live. That's fine. But if $100 is your highest link, put your $100 link in there. Use your highest business center link and put it in here. Okay, the same offer, you make up what name you want to put for your offer. You set your offer or how you want to do it. Just select a name, put our offer description. My offer description is take action today. You know, I say make money online, make that online before Thanksgiving. Take action today. Join now. You know, you could actually put take action, make. I could just put make. Well, I don't have to do that. That's fine. I can leave it like it because I already have it in my head. I make $2,824 before Thanksgiving. And guys, don't worry about if you're not in the higher boards. This is what a lot of people realize. Even you're on a 100 board, if someone wants to join you on a higher board, let them join. That's fine. They're not going to be on your board, but they're still going to be under you. Keep that in mind, okay? So never turn anyone down if they want to join at a higher board and you're not there. Let them sign up. That's fine. You know, you're going to benefit from it anyway. A lot of people try and shy away from it when someone is trying to sign up for a higher level. But do you guys, if they want to join you at a higher level, let them join. They're still going to be under you. Because guess what? They're going to eventually purchase all the boards anyway. So don't deny them, okay? Just want to put that out. Okay, so after you put your offer in, you're going to hit the save module again. Then, guys, this is where all the magic happens. If you could actually set a poll in the webinar, if you want to put a poll in, I haven't done any. And this is where you actually get your link to your registration page, your link. That's where you're going to see your page where you look like. Click on it, and you'll see your page come up, the page that we just created. And then the W commands. Okay, this is where all the magic happens. Okay, first thing, when someone comes to the webinar, guys, you want to welcome them to your webinar. So the first thing you want to do at 10 seconds, click the drop down. When you have your video in, the time going to already be here for you. So when you double peak in the double command, select within 10 seconds of someone of them being on the webinar started, they won't get the first message that says welcome to the webinar. So you select 10 seconds, do your drop down and see send messages to attendees. Okay, guys, then you type your message in here. Welcome to the webinar, everyone. All right, then after you type a message you hit add double command. Then your message is going to be over here, right? At the end, 5 minutes before the video end, before the webinar end, you want to actually put your offer, the offer you just created. You want to let it pop up like 5 minutes before the webinar ends. So you can go down here to your time, scroll all the way to the bottom. 5 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually go 6 to 30, 55:30. At this time, I want my offer to pop up. So I go here, the time 55:30, 55 minutes 30 seconds. I go to the select command, show offer to attendees. Click on show offer. Right, then your offer gonna pop up right here because you created the offer already. Then you hit add double commands. Then your offer gonna be right over here. After you do that, you will hit save module. Okay, I already did mine. That's why I'm not gonna hit save again or add because I already did. Remember, you could add different chats in there just to keep your webinar live. I'm gonna add some more in there, but what I recommend you guys do, watch the video. You know, look at the video, then make your questions pertaining to whatever was said at that particular time. You know, and give enough time for a response. So say I may ask at certain time of the video, I may ask, could you guys see my screen? You know, and like give it 5 seconds or 10 or 5 minutes after, I'll be like, okay, great, everyone could see my screen. Just an example. So example, this one, I could actually do it right now for you guys to see. I'm gonna type a question. All right, say for 10 seconds, say welcome to the webinar. So let's say at that was 10 seconds. Let's go at, I did 10. So let's go at 30 seconds. I will send another message. All right, send a messages. Can everyone see my, can anyone everyone see us and hear? Can anyone see us and hear us? Can everyone see us and hear us good? Okay. All right, so you're keeping it interactive. Okay, all right, so now I put that in there. I'm gonna hit add double command. Bam, he's right here. Okay, and I did that at 30 seconds. So now I'll give them a time to respond. You know, so because remember the chat gonna be there for them to use. They will be actually chatting. They might, you know what I'm saying, come up and say yes, no, whatever. You know, so give them some time to actually let the chat run because they won't actually type in. Because when this message goes in the chat, just like if you actually chatting with them live. Okay, but anyway, guys, that's the basic, and you hit save. But that's the basic concept. Once that happens, you're all set to go. I have almost 15 minutes for this video, and I'm almost out. You know, so that's the basic breakdown. Once you do that, your video is already ready to go. So what you're gonna do, guys, you're gonna click on the link, get your registration page here. Right? That's what we're gonna actually promote. You can make a screenshot of this, and that's use this image to promote the webinar. Right? And then your link gonna be right here. Grab your link from your browser. Grab the link to the webinar from the browser itself up top. Okay, you want to grab the link right. That's where you actually send members to. Well, anyway, I hope this video was helpful to you guys. As I said, I have 50 minutes for this video. It's almost over. If you got any questions, reach out to me, and I'll be able to answer you guys' questions. All right, guys, let's make things happen.